Name's Bruce. It's alright, I understand. This is why I trust a shark, right? Hello folks, and welcome to this episode, Shape Your English. My name is Arya. And let me tell you something. At Shape Your English, you're going to be learning English idioms, phrases, words, whatever, okay? And yeah, this is where pure entertainment meets knowledge. If you want entertainment and you want knowledge, this is the place for you. And stick around and watch this episode. Give it a like, give it a subscribe, because that helps us grow our channel. And then, as our channel grows, we can give you better content. How's that sound? That sounds like a good deal, right? Let's start.
That's my boy. So, first, we check to see that the coast is clear.
Hey, the coast is clear. Okay, the coast is clear. We use the sentence, the coast is clear, to indicate, to say that a place is safe to go out. Something is safe. Okay, the coast is clear. You look around, the coast is clear.
Is the coast clear, Astro?
Coast is clear.
Now I'm going to give you two examples which is going to make you understand more on what this means. Let's say you went and threw water at a friend's face, you ran away, you're hiding in a classroom, waiting for him. You know, the danger goes by and he doesn't find out. You're waiting, you're hiding. You open the door and you're looking around to see if that friend's around, you know, the guy you just threw water at. Okay, you're like, okay, the coast is clear, it's safe to go out. We can use it even in like, for example, let's say a movie. This is not going to be a reality. Let's say in a movie, the bad guy kills another guy. The police are chasing him. The bad guy hides somewhere and he waits. Then he looks out the window. He's like, okay, the coast is clear. It's safe for me to go out. And yeah, we want to replace the coast is clear with words like, oh, is it safe? Oh, is it okay? No, we're going to use, is the coast clear?
And howdy. From my neck of the woods, eh? Sorry if I ever took a snap at you.
From my neck of the woods. Neck of the woods. Fantastic. Now we want to expand and completely change your English, okay?
So what brings you to this neck of the woods?
From my neck of the woods, in my neck of the woods. Neck of the woods means my surrounding, the place where I live. Now we can use this in two circumstances. Either you're meeting a person, or for example, your surrounding, you want to explain something about it. Now, let's say about a person, okay? Let's say I have a best friend, his name is Sam. And I'm walking outside near my neighborhood, the place where I live, I see Sam. And we want to avoid saying, oh, Sam, what are you doing here? I live here. We want to be different. When you're different, you become different in people's minds and they remember you more. So, neck of the woods. Hey Sam, what are you doing in my neck of the woods? You see? Hey Sam, what are you doing in my neck of the woods? This means what are you doing in the place where I live and the place where I am at. You can use it in another circumstance. For example, it's night, it's 12 o'clock, I want pizza. I want Pizza Hut. And it's closed. Then I'm trying to see, why is there no good pizzas? I'm not going to tell my friend or myself, there's no good pizzas around. So boring. No, I'm going to say, there's no good pizzas in my neck of the woods. Wow! Guys, I'm proud of you. Well done for finishing this video. Make sure to check out these two videos as well. You're going to love them. Thank you again. See you on the next one. Oh.